A new study tracked over 2,600 people and found something that breaks almost every piece of habit advice you've heard. Habits don't form in 21 days. The real number is closer to 66, and some take almost a year. But here's the part nobody talks about. The people who succeeded anyway weren't waiting for automation. They were using 7 tiny tactics the whole way through. Here they are. Researchers found that 65% of what you do today won't be a decision. It'll be a habit firing automatically before you even notice. The unsettling part, almost half of those automatic actions don't even match what you actually want. The fix isn't more willpower. It's noticing which autopilot behaviors are quietly working against you. Because you can't redirect a habit you don't know is running. A 2025 meta-analysis of 42 studies found something most people skip entirely. People with a structured accountability system were 2.8 times more likely to actually keep a new habit. Not motivation, not discipline, just one other person checking in. Your brain treats social accountability as a cost of quitting, and avoiding that cost is often stronger than any internal reason you give yourself. Here's the one that surprised researchers themselves. People with the strongest, most automatic habits reported using just as many conscious tactics and tricks as people who were still struggling. Automaticity was supposed to mean it gets easier and effortless. It doesn't. It means you stop expecting it to feel easy and keep using your tools anyway. Researchers call it the habit discontinuity hypothesis. When your routine breaks, a move, a new job, a schedule change, your old automatic behaviors lose their grip for a short window. Most people see disruption as something to survive. High performers treat it as a rare opening to install a new habit while the old one is temporarily disarmed. This is the one habit science actually agrees on. Shrink the action until skipping it feels more effort than doing it. 1 page, 1 set, 1 sentence. The size of the habit was never about ambition. It was about lowering the cost of starting low enough that your brain stops negotiating. Streaks create pressure that backfires the moment you miss one day. And on a 66 to 335-day timeline, you will miss days. Tracking whether you showed up at all without judging the gaps keeps you in the habit formation window long enough for it to actually take hold. The biggest reason people quit habits isn't difficulty, it's miscalibrated expectations. They expect 21 days and give up at day 25 thinking it failed. Knowing the real range is 2 to 11 months changes what still going looks like. You stop quitting right before the habit was about to lock in. None of this is about motivation. It's about knowing what's actually happening in your brain long enough to outlast it. If this helped, subscribe. Every week I break down one piece of psychology research you can actually use. See you in the next one.